Everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, we can talk about a project never spoke about before, YAI. I mentioned it on my Telegram group a couple of weeks ago that we do like this project. I've been following a lot of AI projects throughout this year. There's many out there, obviously. I've done quite a few dedicated videos. However, a lot of them I'm not that keen on. However, ones which I think are high level, the ones obviously I'm going to get a decent bag of, and YAI is one of those. It's a real high quality project built for longevity. Now, you can see on the screen, the supply is absolutely fantastic. Okay. 91 million out of the 100 million there'll be. Okay, so that's wonderful when you think long term. Okay, and this is really why I'm super bullish on the project and also the token itself. Okay, so as I say, there's a lot about this ecosystem we need to go through. Okay, now you go on their website, oracle.ai, real-time AI-powered market insights and predictions service. Basically, connect all the market data. So what they do, I'll show you the dashboard in due course, and you'll see that everything comes together. It's not just basically some AI analyzing the trading, for example, and not looking at the indicators. It's everything you can imagine to look into, and that's what the AI project does. It actually looks into every part of a project, analyzes every aspect, even their social media, to the hype on the social media, to the centralized exchanges, to the online data. The Oracle will basically cover everything, and that's what I like about this. So I'll show you that in a minute. As I say, the products itself, the dashboard, the Telegram app, and the API key is coming soon as well. How YAI works. Now, this is a really interesting diagram and shows how it works. Basically, you've got all the different features come together. I say it's not just like trading signals, it's everything within an ecosystem of one project. Now, the fair value model, you can see that. Now, basically what it does here, it does the predicted price, actual price, and prediction actual, and then is it undervalued or overvalued? Again, it basically saves you a lot of work of researching, and that's what it really does. This enables you to basically sit back and let this AI do everything for you, analysing a certain project to really help you. It's never financial advice, always state that, do your own research, but you've got this AI model, this dashboard, this Oracle, which basically is going to do all the researching for you, which again makes it YAI such a high quality project. Now, they can issue an upgrade soon, a version 4, which again will take it to the next level. So I do like the fact it's constantly updating. They haven't just basically put this Oracle out there and that's it. Okay, even though it's a super project, they're constantly upgrading it, and that again is why it's being built for longevity. Okay, massive intelligent input, one output, data you can trust. This is about I like the different sections here. Unified market overview, access data insights from the current market state and our model predictions, back-tested trading signals, dynamic model sentiment, seamless interaction, optimized framework. Again, everything's being analyzed as once for you. Rich and growing Oracle. Sub-process structure. Again, this is where the Oracle in the center here, it's got all this information coming into that Oracle for it to analyze, to give it the perfect solution for you when you're researching a project. Everything, the news, the order book, the social media, what's on the centralized exchanges, everything. You'll see it on there, on this central Oracle. Okay, and that really is, I think, absolutely fantastic for the project. The YAI token itself, it's on the ETH network. Again, for the access, you can see 6,000 holders, 2 years liquidity lock, 1.3 million liquidity provision. And basically get started. So you hit that, and I'll show you in a minute when you're actually on the dashboard. I follow them on X. Big news yesterday, ahead of the upcoming major V4 engine release, we've launched an advertising campaign with Clubland. Now, Clubland, I actually follow them on X, is a huge project. You can see they're connecting with 3.6 million unique users and 60k active communities. The fact they've done this collaboration and partnership, I think, is absolutely fantastic. Again, as they develop and this exciting new project does, they'll get more partnerships. You'll get on some centralized exchanges. Okay, you'll get it in a lot of places, give more visibility. When people understand what YAI are doing, you'll see so much more visibility and climbing the charts and everything else. I think this could be absolutely huge. It's imperative they do get on some centralized exchanges, but naturally with any project just getting started, it's going to be a while. It's not going to be an instant thing, but what a wonderful opportunity to get YAI token now. Okay, now, also on X, they've done their development roadmap. You can see the different phases on the screen. A lot of information. I do love many parts. It's extensive market coverage, tracking most of the top 100 crypto assets. They're doing a referral program. They're doing a trend recognition from data, launch of Dashboard Free and Dashboard Pro versions. So I do like that. At the moment, you have to deposit YAI to get on the Oracle, which is natural to give the token itself the usage and the utility. But I do like the fact there'll be a free version as well. I think that's absolutely imperative for any project to have that. But all the formatted engine process. So when the version 4 is released, again, I think I'll do another update to show all the enhancements that they've done. I think that's really imperative that I do that. So when you're back on the site, oracle.ai, access Oracle. Okay, so you just hit that. Okay, now like they also 5 million data points, 10 market models, 100x smarter data. You go on here now, you can see there I've connected my wallet. I've got my YAI deposit on here, so I can access it. But you can see there the different pages here: intro, home, model, and strategy. And I also got down the left all the different parts as well. So if you just go for the intro page, the dashboard itself, is obviously the front end interface for Y Engine, which manages data gathering and processing on the back end. Okay, the dashboard easy to use interface, and that's imperative for anything that make it easy for someone to use it, especially just getting in crypto. You don't want something that's complicated. So they make it extremely easy for basically do your research, but they're gathering all the information for you and it's all there. And that's imperative. Now, the Y Engine itself, which again is absolutely fascinating what they do, basically the Y Engine operates through several components. Now, the observers, these units collect and store data from a range of crypto-related sources. You see there, news, Twitter, centralized exchange of data, on-chain data, traditional market data, and many more. Processors responsible for cleaning and prepping the gathered data. Engineers conduct feature engineering using the processors process data. Advisors. Okay, now it gives you that thing, undervalued, overvalued, but the Oracle itself, I just love these diagrams they do. It really sort of makes it so simple what they're actually doing, but it's such a wonderful system. Again, look at all that there, all that information I was showing on that previous screen, all the information going into the Oracle. Now that is absolutely fantastic. So obviously got the home page. I say you've got all the sections down the left here as well, the general overview, all the different marks. I'll show you the homepage in a minute, just go through it briefly here, but this section offers a summary of current state of different models for selected symbol. Okay, the technicals. This is obviously extremely important. You can see there whether you want to sell or neutral, buy or strong buy. It gives you that really good overview. The market overview itself. So much information on it, as I said. Now, the model page, historical overview. You basically go back in history and see the price generated over previous times and see where the project's basically going. And the strategy page. Now, obviously, you can have your own strategies when it comes to analysing projects. You set your price targets, for example, there. But the fact they do it all here again is absolutely fantastic. The strategy page focuses on detailed analysis of predefined trading strategies, including historical performance and individual trades. But say, just go on the home, you can see the general overview, all the different sections there. Basically, it gives you what sort of technicals there and what high confidence in growth. It's like the moment saying strong buy. So I think, me personally, when you get a dip where I've had last few days, this is a wonderful time to accumulate. That's just me looking from afar because I've been in crypto 8 years now. So you can kind of get to use that, you know. But look at the model part of it. Again, market overview, models by sentiment. You can see they've got so much information. It does take you a while once you're on the Oracle to understand everything on it because it's so in depth. But that's what you want when you want high quality research for a certain project to do all the hard work for you. Obviously, time is of the essence. And the fact this does it all for you is absolutely fantastic. Now, one other thing that I always cover is based on Etherscan. You can see as I scroll up the charts, the 6,000 holders. Now, the biggest holder is actually on Uniswap. Then the trust swap, the team finance lock. But then what I love to see, you don't want to see a project where 40, 50% is held by one person. That raises concern. So again, I like this. But also the amount of people holding between just over 1% and 0.4% is absolutely huge. You know, all got themselves a love solid bag, you know, basically 8 to 10,000. Now, obviously, as project develops, you can actually start going up a lot. So again, I like to see a lot of different holders. 6,042 holders already for an up-and-coming project is really good to see. So again, I'll put some links below. Strongly should get started with the wide data solutions. YORCL.ai I think is absolutely fantastic for longevity. I truly do. I'm fascinated to see this goes in the next 3, 6 months and a year, even beyond the bull market. I think this is what it's been built for longevity, so people have got all the data instantly. So wonderful times ahead. And you'll help as usual. Just email me info@cryptostrang.com or my social media links. Well, come join us on our Telegram group. It's a wonderful opportunity here. Don't only YI, keep it on your radar. But certainly, I think this has got massive potential. I truly do. Thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.